Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my chocolate and raspberry cake. It's a great cake for any celebration. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification as well so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new recipe. Right, we'll get things underway. So I have here 275 grams of plain flour, and to that I want to add 100 grams of cocoa, 150 grams of caster sugar, and 100 grams of light brown sugar. Then I want 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, and this is what really brings out the chocolate in this cake. It is instant coffee powder. The cake will not taste of coffee. It just enhances the chocolatiness of it. And that's 1.5 teaspoons. Okay, just give these a quick mix together. Right, on with the wet. So to this I want to add 3 eggs. 180 mils of vegetable or sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 80 milliliters of milk. And then I want 180 mils of hot water, and in that goes. And this makes a very runny batter, as it's meant to be. And the runny batter gives you a really moist and soft crumbed cake. I couldn't resist. I have 2 8-inch cake pans that I have just greased the sides and lined with parchment paper. You can also, if you like, just butter them well, grease them well, and add a little bit of cocoa powder as well, alternatively, but putting the lining in the bottom ensures that the cakes won't stick. So now to divide between the pans. So as you can see, these are very easy cakes to make because there's no creaming of butter and sugar or anything else required. So these just need to go into a 180-degree oven for 30 minutes. That would be a 160-degree fan. My cakes are cooling here on a wire rack, and whilst they are cooling, I'm going to get on with the icing, and that is another simple factor. Okay, so what we need is 60 mils of double cream. Not an awful lot. And exactly the same of golden syrup. Get some heat on under that pan, a low heat. We just want the cream and the golden syrup warm enough that it will melt the chocolate. So whilst that's warming up, we'll get on with the chocolate factor. And I have 125 grams of good quality dark chocolate. And we just want to chop this up finely so it will easily melt in the warm cream. It's done. Just give my cream and golden syrup a little swirl together. Off with the heat. I'm ready to add the chocolate. And just tip your chocolate into the cream. And a little stir together. Just keep stirring until all the chocolate has melted in there and you have a glossy chocolate ganache. What makes this cake so easy is there's none of that hassle of trying to get a smooth icing. This simple ganache is just poured over the cake. And we can let that cool for a moment now, just whilst we get on with preparing the cakes. So as you can see, the cakes do have a slight dome. Don't let that worry you. Simply slice across the top. They don't have to be perfectly flat. And this is the cook's perk. So dome side down on a plate. Love that part. Next, I want raspberry jam, and I use raspberry jam because this is so rich and chocolatey. I want something to sort of bring balance to the cake, and I want 250 grams. Spread it right to the edges. And it really is best if you use a seedless jam here. Now for the second layer. And again, this is going to get the same treatment. We'll just lop off a little of that dome in the center. And we're ready to add layer 2. So again, put the dome side facing down so you have a nice flat surface. See, no need to have absolutely equal leveled cakes. And don't worry as well, should you not wish to eat this, keep it. It makes fantastic Black Forest trifles. Just pop it in the freezer. Just pour it right on top. Let it weave its way across the cake. So we'll just help the icing to push it to the edges and let it drip down. This makes the cake look so much better. No, I can't resist chocolate. And now I just have there's raspberry jam in the cake, so I think it's very appropriate that we have some fresh raspberries to go on top, and again, they bring balance to the cake. And guys, that is it. That is my chocolate and raspberry cake. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope you will give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. And thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a good one.